is very long story. My doctorate, my PhD thesis, was dedicated to the evolution of paradigms of the science, and the natural science precisely. That was dedicated to the philosophy of natural science. And according to my understanding, I think that modern science was wrong from the very beginning. When they have cut the relations with Aristotelian vision of the universe, of the cosmos, they have chosen totally wrong path. And I've tried to explain what was wrong. For example, the concept that there could exist material point, and that is basic principle of Galileo Galilei concept of movement. That is the main principle of Newtonian mechanics, is philosophically totally wrong, because either point or material. So point is metaphysical concept. It is something that has no dimension. So in material world we could not have material point, so the something, some object or objective reality with no dimension, with zero dimension, is something that belongs precisely to the spirit, to the some other universe. And so always everything is modern in modern science. So I think the situation is not that now we are approaching to the crisis of the modern science, as Husserl has thought, Edmund Husserl, but from the very beginning modern science, the science was totally wrong, and the people like Tesla, like the people who have elaborated quantum mechanics or superstrings theory in modern physics, they have discovered this lack of ontological ground in the modern science, and they try to improve, to save, and to adjust the science.